I am taking blessings from my father.
చెప్పు మళ్ళా చెప్పు
I am taking blessing. కాల్మకు I am taking blessing from my mother. I taken blessing from my mother. I taken blessing from mother. Happy Ugadi.